Stepped into a life of panic. Feels like concrete is laced on my shoulders. Got 15 tracks to unleash myself. Go beast on all of these vultures. Fuck with me, haters be bluffing me. Bitches be rubbing me. Having memories of my mother's company. Visit my brother all up in the prison. He told me they'll be proud if I just be something G. Like shit, what the fuck am I gonna do now? There's so many people that don't even get me. Honestly, I just wanna float to the clouds. Bye bye. All my life I've been nothing but trouble, but honestly I try. And all of these bitches that I've been fucking with are filling my head up with these lies. And I burn wax to release myself. I'm gonna be fine, I don't need your help. I do this to express how my people felt. Getting high off the drugs my people dealt. My mama done raised up a monster. Get drunk on the vodka, get caught and get locked up. October invasion, we robbing them pounds, so we burning them down like a roster. I got 16 hats on my wall and my wrist heavy. 17 years of this life and it's still petty. Give a fuck what you think, boy, I've been ready ever since I seen it dry blood on the machete. 14 ocean, where's the devotion? Danes in his room dead, drink all the potion. Haters stay up on they Facebook posting. I guess they get mad when they see that you flowing, but hey, that's life and people gon' hate. I got friends that are dead, I bet you got the same. Friends up in jail, I bet you got the same. Had dreams of my death since the age of 14. I wake up in the night with some blood on my teeth. Guns, nicotine, I got nothing on me. Stressed out on the couch with the Dutch in the E. It's been years of this shit, so it's nothing to me. I see my family's tears drop. I watch my people's dreams crumble. I see my mom do several bottles, then move 2 needles in the muscle. I'm panicking on the inside, but on the outside I might seem humble. I'm running all out in my time. I don't know if I'll make it before my dream fumbles. Goddamn, I've been a man since I seen my family fall to pieces. Lord, I need this, I'm stressed out. Shove a gun to my head, click clack, hello Jesus. I swear I made a promise, won't sell my soul for Sammy's dollars. They said I'm gonna be just like my father. Well, my dad's pretty tight, so I don't bother. I'm chugging down all of this leader. You suckers get thirsty, here's some Aquafina. I'm up on the stove cooking up this burrito. My bitch on her knee, she be sucking this wiener. I'm running nose, rapping, coughing with a fever. I run up on site with a mask and a cleaver. Kick back with a glass of the ether. Devil got my soul in the grip, won't ease up. Like shit, I'm off of that Hennessy. It does wonders on my depression. Got these bitches up in this pedigree, and I'll never think I'm gon' trust them. I dedicated my life and time, won't stop till my soul leak out and die. I'm pouring all out in my heart. I just wanna say thank you if you took the time, I swear.